Okay children, now we are going to learn the sound of double O, isn't it? Sound of double O. We have been seeing the sound of double letter word like O U, O I, O Y, O E. Now OO. Okay, here the set of picture was given in this column and here the set of picture was given in this column. Okay, now we are going to find it out the picture and we are going to pronounce a word correctly. Then we are going to write it on that particular line. Okay, now you understand? Yes. What is this? You will see it on the night time, isn't it? You see it on the sky at the night time. What is this? Moon. Moon. Yes, you are getting oo, longer O sound. Oo. Moon. Moon. Okay, this is a moon. Shall I write it on here? The dash. M O O N. Moon. Moon. Okay. Okay, listen here. This is a wood, isn't it? This is a wood. Okay, you are going to find it at wood. Wood. W O O D, wood. Wood. Yes. Shall I write it here? W O O D, wood. Wood. Okay. This is hook. Okay. This is not a J. This is a hook. Hook. You are getting a H sound and K sound. Hook. H O O K. Hook. Hook. Isn't it? H O O K, hook. Okay, this is spoon. Spoon. You are getting a S sound and ending with the N sound. Spoon. Spoon. S P O O N. Spoon. Okay, listen. This is foot. Okay, this is what is this? This is a food. You are getting a F sound, isn't it? Food. Food. Shall I write it here? Food. F O O T. Food. Food. Okay. This is, tell me what is this? I've told you already, when I'm saying a cowboy, he will wear a boot, isn't it? This is a not a shoe. This is a boot. Boot. B sound. Boot. B O O, boot. Boot. Okay, this is stool. You're getting a O longer. Oo, like oo. Yeah, the sound of the double O is oo. Stool. S T. St. O L. Stool. Okay, this is book. B. Book. Book. Okay, let's recall one more time. The sound of double O is oo. The sound of double O is oo. M O O N. Moon. Okay, next wood. W O O D. Wood. This is hook. H O O K. Hook. Tell along with me, children. If I am suppose telling every time that you does not understand the sound, you should tell me along with me. Then only you can understand it very well. Then you can pronounce it correctly. Just come on, tell with me. S P O O N. Spoon. Spoon. Okay. This is F O O T. Food. Food. Okay. This is boot. B O O T. Boot. This is stool. S T O O L. Stool. Stool. Okay. This is book. B O O. Book. K. Book. B O O K. Book. Okay, children. Now we understand the sound of O is oo. Oo. Moon. Wood. Hook. Spoon. Food. Boot. Stool. Book. Okay, now you understand the sound of double O is oo. Oo. Okay, children. Okay, let's see the next exercise.